to and welcome back to Hello Hi for another great recipe. Now, I hope you guys checked out that Dubai chocolate recipe because that recipe was so good. But anyway, if you didn't, log on to Patreon and find me under Hello Hi and become a member on our Patreon, and you will be able to see that video. All membership is waived right now for about a year. So join for $2 and you'll get to see all the videos for free. YouTube has given me strikes, so that is why the videos are blurred out. But again, if you join the Patreon and you donate a minimum of $2, you will be able to see all of the videos for free. And if you own a Hello Hi Ultra Infuser, please send me a message on the Patreon or put a message in the chat, and I will send you a free code so that you don't have to pay for a membership and your membership will be free. So thank you for purchasing the Hello Hi Ultra Infuser, and you get to access all of the videos for free. And if you haven't purchased the Hello Hi Infuser, please do. You can purchase on Amazon. You can purchase on the Hello Hi Cooks website. And there will be Black Friday deals on Amazon and on the Hello Hi Cooks website. And it will be, if you join the Patreon, there will be a special link for a Black Friday deal. So for the Hello Hi Cooks website. So please make sure you join the Patreon if you are interested in buying a Ultra Infuser. Now, I always tell you guys, I make all of my infusions in the Hello Hi Ultra Infuser, my oil, my tinctures, and the butter that I use for this recipe. Now, here is an example of my oil that I made in the Hello Hi Infuser, and it looks so good. And this oil is some good oil. So please purchase your Hello Hi Ultra Infuser on Amazon or the Hello Hi Cooks website. I have candy molds and other kitchen utensils, and I will make sure they are below this video so that you can check those things out and purchase and support Hello Hi. Now today I'm showing you how to make a yummy, yummy, yummy Thanksgiving recipe. And we are making sweet potato cornbread muffins. And I use my Hello Hi butter for this recipe. So let's get started. Now for this recipe, you'll need 1 box of Krusteaz Southern cornbread mix, milk, a can of candied yams, egg, good old can of butter, some brown sugar, some white sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, and a little bit of nutmeg. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now start by adding a drained can of sweet potatoes to a large blender. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, 1 cup of cold milk, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And then turn the blender on medium until all the ingredients are combined. Now, once combined, your sweet potato mix should look nice and creamy like this. Now, I'm already halfway finished, and I told you this recipe would be quick. So next, add 1 large egg to the blender, and I used Krusteaz Southern cornbread mix for this recipe. So before you ask, I do not know how to make this with Jiffy. So add the 1 box of cornbread mix, a 1/3 cup of that good old melted canna butter, and turn the blender on low until all the ingredients are combined. Now, just a quick tip. Make sure your canna butter is cool before adding so you don't cook your eggs. Now when finished, your corn muffin mix will look like this. Pour the muffin mix in each of your muffin tins about a 1/2 inch from the top. Now I got these reusable silicone muffin tins on Amazon for really cheap, and I'll make sure I leave the link for these in the description. Now you can also access all of the ingredients and kitchen accessories I use in all of my videos in my Amazon storefront, and I'll also make sure that link is below. Now place those muffins in the oven for at least 20 minutes before checking them to make sure they're done. Now while those muffins are in the oven, I started with the glaze with 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, and a half a teaspoon of brown sugar and a dash of cinnamon. I added that to a small bowl and stirred until combined. After the muffins are done, remove them from the oven and let them sit for about 10 minutes before adding the honey glaze. And when you're done, you have cannabis infused sweet potato cornbread muffins. Enjoy! Thank you guys for sticking around and watching this whole video. Like I always tell you, and you already know, if you made it this far, then you want to see the end result. And these muffins, child, when I tell you, look at these muffins. Do you see that honey glaze on top? Now, just cut open one of these muffins. And they are so moist in the inside. Oh my goodness. Look at this muffin. Let me taste. So, this muffin is good. If you like sweet potato pie, this muffin is like a mixture of sweet potato pie and a corn muffin, if you can imagine that. But this is so good. So please, this is like the easiest recipe that you can make for Thanksgiving. It will take you less than 30 minutes. So please make these for Thanksgiving. Your family will not be disappointed. When I tell you this muffin is good, it's like eating a sweet potato pie with some cornbread. This is so good. Thank you guys for always sticking around and watching my whole videos. And again, check me out on Instagram, Hello High Official, Facebook, Hello High Official. The Patreon is under Hello High, and that is the important one because you guys, please join the Patreon so you can catch the videos. Once I upload them on YouTube, they're up there for like an hour if you missed the live, and then you can always watch it on Patreon. But again, you know, I'm always going to tell you, please purchase the Hello High Ultra Infuser on Amazon.com and the Hello High Cooked website. And deals are coming up for Black Friday. So you don't want to miss those. Everyone, I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving, and I hope you guys are thankful and have something to be thankful in your life. And God bless, and I will see you guys on the next video.